In a forgotten junkyard, where time stands still, rusted metal tells stories of lost glory. Among broken dreams and abandoned machines, one man searches, not for scrap, but for history. Beneath layers of dust and silence, a legend waits to be discovered. One touch is enough. The emblem speaks louder than words. This is not just a car. This is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, an icon of its era. The decision is made. The past is purchased, not with money alone, but with passion. Carefully lifted, the sleeping legend begins its journey towards a second life. Through dust, distance, and changing skies, hope travels on four wheels. A new place, a new beginning, where craftsmanship meets commitment. Every bolt, every piston, brought with precision, bringing the heart back to life. The scars of time are erased, replaced by elegance and perfection. Inside, luxury is reborn. Leather, metal, and design, restored to timeless beauty. It's the smallest details that separate a car from a masterpiece. From forgotten metal to flawless art, the legend returns. As the engine roars and the road opens, history drives forward once again. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, restored not just to run, but to inspire.